Not getting enough sleep at night means not being able to function properly during the day, but I think I just might have found the solution.
It's a crazy life we all live. So I've been actually looking for things that can relax me at night, help me fall asleep, and I have tried everything from pillow sprays to you name it, taking hot baths, showers. Nothing really seemed to work to calm me down, calm my brain, actually shut off my brain, and let me relax and go to sleep. So I was super happy when I discovered this Physician's Choice NatRem supplements. They help you fall asleep. And that really is something that I think everybody does kind of need help with now and again. So let's give it a go and see if it works. So I took a couple of these about a half hour, 45 minutes ago, and I am starting to feel quite sleepy. So I'm going to go to bed, my lovelies. I will let you know if I wake up feeling refreshed and wonderful in the morning. Nighty-night. Now, the thing that I love the most about the NatRem sleep aid, other than the fact that it does indeed help me relax my body, relax my brain, chill out, and fall into a nice, deep sleep, is the fact that there's no soy, gluten, milk, eggs, wheat, GMOs, peanuts, shellfish, color additives, binders, or preservatives in it. With my kind of tender tummy, that really does also help me get a good night's sleep, because I'm not taking this and then having to wake up a few hours later because it doesn't agree with my tummy. This all-natural supplement contains valerian root, P5P, which is actually pyridoxal 5-phosphate, and that's just a fancy name for a form of vitamin B6, as well as suntheanine, melatonin, and chamomile. Now, all of these ingredients help to promote either sleep or body relaxation. So when you combine them all together into one supplement, what do you have? You have a body relaxation leading into a wonderful deep sleep. On a side note, suntheanine has been clinically proven to help with that body relaxation, as well as a more refreshed and alert mental state when you wake up. Plus, it can also help with the overall quality of your sleep, improve concentration, help reduce the effects of caffeine on your body, boost your immune system, and diminish some of those awful PMS symptoms. But what you want to know is, does it really work? Well, I can tell you, after I did take 2 of these little pills about a half an hour, 45 minutes before bed last night, my body did start to feel heavier and more relaxed, and I definitely felt I'm ready for bed, I'm chilled, and then when I laid down, my brain was absolutely not abuzz with loads of different thoughts of, oh, you need to get up and write down this idea, you need to do this, do this, do this. It just wasn't happening. So when I closed my eyes, I really did fall asleep faster, and I feel I fell into a deeper sleep. Plus, when I did wake up this morning, I felt quite a bit more refreshed than I usually do. So I am going to continue using these, especially when I have a particularly stressful day, and you should give it a try too. I'll put the links below so you can head on over and get your own bottle and see if this all-natural, groovy deep sleep supplement is going to work for you too and give you a really good night's sleep.